Hi guys, look at this guys. I got home, I got surprise. See, honey bought for me a turon. There's a lot there. There's many there on the counter. Guys, yummy yummy. And honey got me a kimchi as well. Ayan, kimchi. Ayan. Honey bought turon, lumpia, and
This one's big. You can have the big one.
okay. Honey got turon, lumpia, and the other one, honey?
Empanada.
Empanada.
Yeah.
And honey got kimchi for me. And now, let's eat. Ayan guys. Honey's boil me. Honey's boil me. Turon lang ang malakas. See you later guys. Mukbang mukbang. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! This is Raquel the Brinkat. Happy wife, happy life is here because honey got surprise for me when I got home from work. My goodness, this is very lovely. Thank you so much, honey. See, honey got turon for me. Si lumpia at saka empanada in the counter there in the kitchen. And guys, masarap ito guys. At saka one guys, bumili rin si honey ng kimchi kasi alam niyang paborito ko si kimchi. Kimchi. Ano pa bang hinintay natin? Ang turon, ito, at saka empanada doon. Sa likod ko guys, andun ang empanada at saka lumpia. Masarap ito sa kape! Kape lang malakas, guys! Malakas ang kape! Ooh, so much delicious! So guys, si Raquel Brinkat, konti lang po ang ating kaligayahan, no? O, turon lang. Malipay na ko. Saya na si Raquel. Oh, di ba? Lumpia, masaya na, di ba? Ito lang kaligayahan ko, guys. Napaka, na, saya ko na, no? Tingnan mo si Hano, binila niya akong kimchi. Diba? Honey boiled me today. Guys, honey boiled me today. Hindi guys. Honey said, he spoiled me today. Right, honey?
Okay.
Yeah! Let's go! Guys, masarap itits. Kain na. Oh, so yummy, honey. Thank you so much, honey.
I'm looking forward to when we get to spoil a grandbaby.
Really? Then, baby?
Yep, we buy the baby a brand new car. And pork chops too.
Masarap guys ang turon. Lamig siya. I love it, honey. Thank you so much, honey. Ito ang mga gusto kong merienda, guys. I love it. It's fun. Ang sarap. Kaya tayo ng kimchi, guys. Hindi pa pala ito nabuksan, guys. Sunod na lang to guys ang kimchi. Ayan. Bago siya. Bininin. Ito lang muna ako.
I got something here and I didn't order them. Maybe I won one of the contest things.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope na-enjoy kayo sa vlog ko. Ang sarap guys. Believe me, very very yummy.